Hey guys, today I will show you how to download and install Echoes of Aincrad game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and just click on sign in option. You will see on the top right and just create the Steam account. This is quite simple and easy. After you create a Steam account, you need to download and install Steam on your PC. So just click on install Steam option. You will see on the top, click on install Steam and download it and install on your device. After you install the Steam, open it up, sign in your account, click on the top search box and just type Echoes of Aincrad. You will find this game on the top search results, so just open it up. After you open the game, just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So just click on it. If you want to play the demo version first, just click on the add to library and you can simply download and install this demo version. If you want to download the actual game, click on add to cart option. Click on view my cart. Now simply click on continue to payment and go ahead pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount for this game, go to your library of Steam. You will find this game in your Steam library. Just find this game, click on install. That's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, like it, and thanks for watching.